Several tenants who live here at 1210 Clay Avenue are taking issue with the owner, who they say has been lax when it comes to repairs.
And all of a sudden I open up my closet and already my clothes is on fire. All my clothes, my church clothes, everything is on fire. And I had no choice but to run.
That was in April following an electrical fire, and still Kevin Brown, a former Metro North employer, now on disability, who moved into the building in 2008, has been unable to move back in. With his address still here, he comes back weekly to pick up his mail, but says that shouldn't be the case.
Whenever something needs to be repaired, she'll tell me to go fix it. You know where the hardware store is, especially when it's something electrical. She would do it herself instead of hire a professional.
Those words echoed by William Heidbreder.
And these were hot. She brought this homemade manual. I'll show you a picture of it.
Then there are these windows that can't seem to open.
I think that's unlocked.
Community Action for Safe Apartments are representing them, filing contempt of court paperwork against the owner. They shared as He Yang, who reportedly inherited the building in the 1980s, yet appears unable to administer mounting repairs. Repairs needed to help Brown get back home. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Mukoko.